NORSHIRE tire repair nail. It's a plastic screw covered with special sealing glue. No damage to tires. You don't need to remove the tire to repair it. You only need a screwdriver and pliers to complete the repair process. In our shipping list, there are 8 tablets in a box, of which 4 are 5.3 mm in diameter, and the other 4 are 6.8 mm in diameter. Free 1 super glue. Enhance the sealing performance of this product, and the screw can be reused. The screw is made of special plastic with moderate hardness, no aging, and can withstand high temperature. The surface of the screw is covered with a layer of sealing glue, which spreads itself and has good stickiness to prevent air leakage.